Using keywords with easy texting. Keywords are like textable passwords that you can use to add mobile subscribers to your contact list. They're often used in conjunction with a textable number, such as short code or 10-digit toll-free number. You probably see them all the time in messages like text try to 858585. Every account comes with a free demo keyword you can use to message subscribers. It starts with the prefix easy, and you'll find it under Keywords and Numbers on the left panel. Some plans offer the freedom to choose additional customized keyword options. Or you can always purchase an extra keyword individually. Whatever makes the most sense for your business. To add your own custom keyword, click Add Keyword in the top right, and then type it in the field. Hit Search, and if it's available, activate keyword with one click. Of course, you'll want to make sure you link your correct phone number to your keyword. Just tap the profile icon in the upper right, and it will be listed under your number. Want to say welcome to the neighborhood to new opt-ins? Automate a response for when a new subscriber joins. We've already set up a default message for you to send, or you can generate one that is uniquely your own. Just click on your keyword from the Keywords and Numbers page, and then Edit under Create Your Auto-Reply Message. You can then add your keyword to a group by clicking Edit under Connect to Groups, and voila! Customers will be able to join your subscriber list with a simple and efficient text-to-join campaign. Just don't keep it a secret. Promote it in your store, office, or on your website, and share it across your social media. If your contacts want to opt out of receiving your text for any reason, all they need to do is reply STOP to your message. It's a universal keyword, and they will no longer receive texts from your business. If your contact misses you and wishes to start hearing from you again, or they opted out by accident, they can simply retext the designated keyword to rejoin. Congrats! You've now successfully set up a text-to-join keyword campaign with easy texting, and can begin engaging with your subscribers to do everything from sales and promotions to staffing and scheduling more seamlessly and effectively than ever. If you have any questions at all, please check out our help docs found on our website or listed in the description below. And make sure to subscribe to Easy Texting's YouTube channel to get more helpful videos.